Welcome to the 4-minute morning for today, which is Monday, the 5th day of August, 2018. Like always, everything's within your own risk, own reward. And the Bitcoin price, which had a rally on the 20th of February up to this level here, had about a few days to this 18 average of lows, as well as key Fibonacci near that of 9,500. And it rallied from there, spent about 3 days within this 18 average, and then it broke above it, stayed above it on the 2nd of March, had a small rally the next day thereafter on the 3rd, yesterday's session on Sunday the 4th. It stayed within that area. It had a small retracement down, but back up to this high area, which it's been trading recently. So that is very, very productive. And you can almost call this, I think it would be that of an inverted cup and handle formation. But most importantly, I like how this is at least congesting the neckline within a big, big key area and breaking out. Even though I have a line in around 12,584, that would not be the greatest of legs higher, but it could most certainly be that of resistance because it hasn't fallen any support since this point, but it could easily break through. And if it does, and you see action decently, it's in this area, that is going to be big confirmation in the bull market. And a lot of other people are going to be seeing many bullish setups, and there definitely could be a possibility that on the situation when the break happens, big moves. Let's take a look at this more short term now. Within the 400-minute time frame, we can see and hear that the 1101 area, which was the resistance in here, it barely got above it, couldn't hold it, so it didn't trade too much there. But it has been now holding above that area for several periods, which is productive. I'm going to go to the hourly next, but I want to show you just how these couple of days would look on the 60-minute. So that little cattailish down move that we've seen was this move in here. That came down to this 11,000. It did stay there for a decent amount of time, well more than a half a day or about such. And then the just staying where it was so far within this, 14 consecutive hours it's been since this market is open. This is what we're seeing, supporting this level of resistance from the, from March the 2nd. Okay, so that's the Bitcoin analysis. Litecoin on the 60-minute, same time frame, doesn't look anywhere near as bullish. However, it is choppily bullish, you could say. We have an 18 rising average. We have support here amongst resistance from a few different occasions. It's still got a little bit to go to get above this range where it's at now from 215 to about 218, which would then make us take us to a key $230 level. And what it's been is multiple tests within this area. The recent action over the last few days has had it decently below it, as we saw, but the volatility moves are very low, holding well above a barely rising 18 average. But overall, the rally that broke this resistance on February the 14th has had a very nice sideways action. And like in Bitcoin, price action getting above here after major established resistance. You have to give a lot of benefit of the doubt for the buyers that this 276 handle may be resistance, but it wouldn't surprise me either way if it shot through this and then entangled with a better chance of resistance at 370. Thank you for tuning in to this video and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.